Focusing on one thing is hard in here. Distractions, our state of not giving our brain a hard time, leaves us in a condition called attention deficit. You hardly seem to focus. Teens who frequently use tablets and mobile apps are more likely to develop attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and to eradicate lack of focus. It is here when computers come handy. I seem to get distracted less often. There are pretty less useful apps on my laptop, and my social media usage is second to none. So my brain's energy is not wasted on thinking which social media app to open next. Instead, it helps me focus on my work.
I'm sorry to show you the truth, but I just gotta say that I love you, and I know you do.
You can read better, type better, serve better, multitask better. The control this cursor gives to you is better than touch. Better than touch. Tap switching is easier, life is easier, screen is bigger, multitasking is easier. Open tons of apps, no need to worry because the processor and GPU used are very powerful. Play hardcore games, do hardcore surfing, hardcore editing, all in one. Reading is proficient. A person absorbs more and reads quicker as compared to a smartphone. The fact that hard copy could be lost and soft copy remains forever until your hard drive is not faulty. Of course, accessibility is also a lot easier. Go, find, and boom. Typing, no brainer. File transfer is also not a pain in the head, either from USB or from a mobile. And to attain all these facts, you have to wait a bit for it to boot up. It's a bit slow at the start, but slowly and gradually it catches up the speed. You have to hurt your back, your head, sitting in a constant position because it's not accessible everywhere. You have to learn its basics. It's not really that user-friendly as compared to a smartphone, where the things are how to uninstall apps, and in the end it was my responsibility to state the facts. To choose is yours.